Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna be replacing the bulbs on the reverse of my 2022 GMC Sierra. If you're like me, getting tired of the halogen bulbs here, we're gonna swap them out with some LEDs. So let's go ahead and drop this down. I went with these Auxbeam LEDs, and this is what they look like. To pull the bulbs out, looks like we gotta remove the light held in with these T15 bolts here. So let's go ahead and remove those. Just put that there. Put that there. After you pop this loose, it's gonna come out like this. And you wanna go for that bottom connection down there. So you're gonna take the bottom connecting, turn it to the left, pop it out like this, and you get access to the bulb. Good. Pop this off. The lights. Go ahead and connect it. And what I always like to do is I like to test it before I seat it properly. So let's go ahead and hit the unlock. And voila. Now we know it works. We're going to twist it back in there. You're going to turn it to the right. We'll have to play with it a little to get it to seat. You're going to want to push the wiring back in so you don't pinch any of it. Get the holes to line up. And then push it back in. Make sure the holes line up here. And put the screws back in. There we go. So before, after. Repeat the same steps on the other side. And this is the end result. Much cleaner and brighter. Very happy. So this is a video of how it looks at night.